What if I told you that there are total 9 stages of your financial freedom journey and you are just in stage 1? Yes, stage 1. Would that interest you? Well, then hang on till the end of this episode because that's exactly what I'm going to talk about today. So let's get into it. Welcome to episode 49 of the Rohit Radio Show. This is your host Rohit and I help people achieve the freedom of time, the freedom of money and the freedom of location so that they can spend more time with their family, travel more and live a more real and a fulfilling life. In this episode, my goal is to share with you the 9 stages of your financial freedom journey, which will give you a better perspective of where you are right now in your financial life. But before we get into that, I want to invite you to come and attend my free Financial Freedom Masterclass in which I teach people how to escape the 9 to 5 rat race in less than 5 years. The masterclass is 100% online. It's free. When you sign up, you get your login details and you have lifetime access to it. So go ahead and claim your lifetime access to this masterclass. I will put the link in the description below. This masterclass will get you started on your journey towards your goal of financial independence. Now, just to give you some context here, you don't have to necessarily complete all the 9 stages in your life. Even if you reach stage 5, I think that is more than enough. Alright, coming back to our topic, do you know that there are 9 stages of your financial freedom journey? Pay careful attention to what I am going to discuss here, because this can not only completely change your life, but also give you a perspective as to where you are in your life right now. Countless times on my blog or on my channel, I have specifically mentioned the definition of financial freedom. Financial freedom is when your total monthly passive income either equals or exceeds your total monthly expense. So for example, if your total monthly living expenses are $1,500 a month, then you need a total monthly passive income of $1,500 per month to be financially free. In that situation, you would not be dependent on a 9 to 5 job because your assets are generating the income for you. It is as simple as that. However, this is only one part of your financial freedom journey. Once you understand the 9 stages of your financial freedom journey, you will be able to see the bigger picture of the financial freedom journey you are going through. Because whether you know the 9 stages or not, you are already in this journey. You will understand what I'm saying when you find out what is stage 1. Stage 1 is the rat race. So stage 1 is when you are actually in the rat race. In stage 1, your total monthly passive income is less than your total monthly expenses. To understand the 9 stages, let's take an example of a family of 4 living in India. This is about John, who is the sole earning member of the family. Lisa, his wife, is a stay-at-home mom taking care of the family, the household and the 2 kids. Let's assume that their normal monthly living expense is $2,000. Now, if you look at the developed economies like US and Europe, $2,000 a month is not a lot of money. But if you are in India, you know that $2,000 a month is sufficient amount of money for a family of 4 to have a decent standard of living. That is why I take that number. Now, this family is in stage 1 if their total monthly passive income is less than $2,000 because they do not have enough assets in their life to take care of their monthly expenses. So I hope you understand stage 1. Stage 1 is about being in the rat race. If you are watching this right now, there is a 90% chance that you are in stage 1. This channel is for those people who are at stage 1. Stage 1 is where your total monthly passive income is less than your total monthly expense, irrespective of whatever your monthly expense is. It's not about the numbers here. It's the equation that matters. Stage number 2 is individual financial freedom. Stage 2 is when John achieves financial freedom at his own individual level. What do I mean by that? The family has a total monthly expense of $2,000. That's equal to $500 per person. So if the family has a total monthly passive income of $500, then we can say that at least John is financially free, because at least one person's expenses in the family are taken care of. So John is financially free at an individual level. That is stage 2. The only reason why he may be working at a 9 to 5 job right now is because he has to provide for the family. But as an individual, he is financially free because he has enough assets that can take care of his individual expenses. When I say expenses, I am talking about normal and standard living expenses, the minimum that you need to survive. So stage 2 is a passive income of $500 a month. Stage 3, the 2x level. Stage 3 is when the passive income is twice that of stage 2. So in this case, if John's passive income becomes $1,000 per month, then he is at stage 3. The reason why the passive income target in stage 3 is twice that of stage 1 is because passive income is something that can be variable. Passive income can keep going up and down. So we need a buffer to ensure our financial freedom. In stage 2, we cannot be certain that John is 100% financially free. What if his passive income drops below $500 per month? This is the reason why stage 3 matters. To be certain that John is financially free, he needs to have a passive income that is at least twice his own individual living expenses. So even if his passive income falls, it may fluctuate between $500 and $1,000 but not drop below $500 a month. So this guarantees that John is financially free. So stage 2 is a passive income target of $500 per month. Stage 3 is a passive income target of $1,000 per month. Now that John has taken care of himself, his next target is to take care of his family. Stage 4 is the family financial freedom. So stage 4 is a passive income of $2,000 a month. If he achieves a passive income of $2,000 a month, then we can say that the family is financially free. At stage 4, John has achieved financial freedom at the family level. In stage 2 and 3, he had achieved financial freedom at the individual level. So stage 4 is a passive income target of $2,000 a month. At stage 4, John is in a position to completely quit his 9 to 5 job, but not yet. Remember, I mentioned that passive income can be variable. So John has to ensure that the family makes a minimum of $2,000 in monthly passive income. That's why stage 5 is important. Here, John needs to ensure that his total monthly passive income is at least twice that of what the family needs on a monthly basis to have a decent standard of living. Stage 5 is when you permanently escape the 9 to 5 rat race. So stage 5 is a passive income target of $4,000 a month. This takes care of all the needs of the family. So when John achieves a total monthly after-tax passive income of $4,000 a month, then we can say that the family is financially free in the true sense. That is stage 5. I am currently at stage 5 depending on the current structure of my expenses, and it has taken me only 10 months to go from stage 1 to stage 5. So it is not a difficult journey if you put your mind to it. I will discuss more about these 9 stages in my future videos. For now, in this video, I just want to give you a big picture view of where you are in your life right now. If you are in stage 1, you have to pull up your socks. You have work to do. Just to quickly recap, stage 1 is when John and his family are in the rat race. That is, they have no passive income, or they have a passive income of less than $500, assuming their monthly living expense is $2,000. For you, these numbers might be different, but the whole thought process I have discussed here is the same for all. Stage 2 for John and his family is a total monthly passive income of $500. Stage 3 is a passive income target of $1,000. Stage 4 is a passive income target of $2,000 a month. And stage 5 is $4,000 a month. When John reaches stage 5, he has ensured a very comfortable financial future for him and his family. However, if he has to build intergenerational wealth, he has to go the extra mile. He has to go through the next 4 stages. Between stage 1 and 5, the toughest part is to go from stage 1 to 2. Going from 2 to 5 is not very difficult because it is just about replicating or doing more of what was done from stage 1 to 2. Stage 5 is like an inflection point in life. Now, to go from stage 5 to 6, you will have to become a completely different person. This is where creativity and entrepreneurship comes into play, because stage 6 is about achieving 10 times the total monthly passive income relative to stage 5. Stage 6 is the next big leap. Stage 6 for John would be a passive income target of 40,000 a month. He has to go from 4,000 to 40K per month in passive income. That is a huge target. This is a journey that is going to take a lot of time. This is a very tough journey. It is almost the same as the journey from stage 1 to 2. This requires a complete shift of mindset about money. Going from stage 1 to 5 is about solving relatively small problems for the marketplace. Going from stage 5 to 6 is about solving a very large problem in the marketplace. Someone has rightly said that the larger the problem you solve, the more money you make. So that is stage 6. Stage 7 is when you have a total monthly passive income of 10 times that of stage 6. Stage 7 is about leveraging your financial resources. So in the case of John, we are talking about 400K passive income every single month. Now this might sound a lot of money, but it is just about replicating what you did from stage 5 to stage 6. Because if John crosses stage 6, he will have enough financial resources, systems and people in place to go from stage 6 to 7. Stage 6 to 7 is about leveraging financial strength to take the next big leap. Stage 8 is a hard target of $1 million passive income per month. Stage 8 is the $1 million level. That's $12 million per year in after-tax passive income. Stage 8 is mentioned in Robert Kiyosaki's third book, Guide to Investing. Robert Kiyosaki's mentor has mentioned that a person becomes rich when he reaches stage 8. He also says that the person should have a net worth of at least $5 million along with the $1 million in monthly passive income. This is what stage 8 is all about. Stage 9 is called the fast track. Stage 9, if you have played the cash flow board game designed by Robert Kiyosaki, you know what I'm talking about when I say the word fast track. In stage 9, you have gone beyond the total monthly passive income of $1 million a month. This is where you are ready for philanthropy. Stage 9 is about giving back to society. Stage 9 is also about passing your assets to the next generation. The entire journey from stage 1 to 9 might take 10 to 20 years to complete. But if you look at the numbers that I've mentioned here, would it not be worth to embark on this exciting journey? That is the question that I want to leave you with in this video. Are you at stage 1? Do you want to go from stage 1 to stage 9? What efforts are you taking to go from stage 1 to 2 right now? Do you realize that if you have to take this 9-stage journey, you will have to spend at least 30 minutes of your time per day investing in your own financial education? Are you doing that? Have you set a goal to achieve financial freedom? Most people don't even know how to set a proper financial goal. I will do a separate video to teach you how to correctly set your financial freedom goal. So my question to you is this: what stage are you in right now in your financial freedom journey, and what plans have you made to move up the levels? Let me know in the comments section. I am all ears to your story. If you are truly serious about achieving financial freedom in your life, you will find out the answer to that question and do the right thing for yourself. I have confidence in you. Talking about financial freedom, again, I want to invite you to come and attend my free Financial Freedom Masterclass, in which I teach people how to escape the 9-to-5 rat race in less than 5 years. The masterclass is 100% online. It is free. When you sign up, you get your login details and you have lifetime access to it. So go ahead and claim your lifetime access to this masterclass. I will put the link in the description below. This masterclass will help you get started on your journey towards your goal of your financial independence. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. I have given you enough food for thought. I hope you got value out of this. This is your host Rohit signing off for now. I will see you same time, same place next week. Bye for now. Take care. Thank you so much.